everyone, it's Jennifer from Fiberflux. In this video, I will show you how to crochet a one round cloud. This cloud makes a cute embellishment for just about any knitted or crocheted project. And for this project, you'll need some yarn. I used Lion Brand's Baby's First yarn because it's extra squishy and it came in a nice cloud-like color. This is called the Pixie Dust colorway. And I used a 6mm J hook, and really you can use any yarn for this pattern. If you're not sure about the hook, just look at your yarn label for the recommended hook size for the particular yarn you'll be using. You'll also need a tapestry needle and a pair of scissors to finish your cloud and weave in the ends. So to begin, we're going to put a slip knot on our hook. And then we're going to chain 6. To make a chain, wrap yarn around hook and bring it through the loop. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Next, we're going to join to make a circle in the last hook with a slip stitch, and that'll make our ring. And then what I like to do is take this tail and bring it around the back, because as you work all the stitches into the center of this ring, you'll weave that end in as you go, and that'll save you a little bit of time at the end. So we have our ring here. Next, we're going to work 2 double crochets into the center of the ring. To make a double crochet, wrap yarn around hook, insert it into the center of the ring, bring up a loop, yarn around hook, bring it through the first 2 loops, yarn around hook, bring it through the last 2 loops. That's 1 double crochet. We're going to make another double crochet into the center of the ring. Then we're going to work a slip stitch into the center of the ring. To make a slip stitch, insert your hook into the center, bring up a loop, and then bring it through the loop that's already on your hook, just like that. Then we're going to work another double crochet into the center of the ring. And I just want to show you, we're just working around all these little I guess you could call them scallops. Next, we're going to work 2 treble crochets into the center of the ring. To make a treble crochet, wrap yarn around hook 2 times, insert it into the ring, bring up a loop, wrap yarn around hook, bring it through the first 2 loops, wrap yarn around hook, bring it through the next 2 loops, wrap yarn around hook, bring it through the last 2 loops. Just going to get a little yarn here. Then we'll work another treble crochet. Then we'll work a double crochet. We're just making our way around the cloud. Then we'll work a slip stitch again. Then we'll work 2 double crochet. And like I said, we're doing all of these stitches into the center. Okay, then we're going to work another slip stitch. And as you can see, what I just did, I just kind of pushed everything to the side. We have lots of stitches going into the center. So I just kind of pushed everything off to the side. That was our slip stitch. Then we'll work 1 double crochet, and then 2 treble crochet, it's 1, and this is the second one here. And then 1 more double crochet, and then a slip stitch, As you can see, our cloud is slowly starting to take form. And then to finish off our cloud, we're going to work 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. And then we're going to work a slip stitch to join, just like that. Now we'll take our scissors, snip to fasten off, just fasten it off. So it looks a little bit kind of lumpy and strange, not really too much like our original cloud. So to do our finishing, we're going to flip it over, and then you'll pull this really, really tight to close up that hole. And then go ahead and trim that. And we weaved in the ends as we went along, so that saved us a little step there. Then we're going to weave in this tail. So you can thread your tapestry needle and then just go in through the back here. And then just kind of run it along some of these stitches back here. And when you do that, it'll kind of pull this down a little to give you that cloud edge there. And I like to come back and make another pass just to make sure everything is very secure. Then you can take your scissors and just snip off this tail here once you weaved it in a little. So when you're done, because it's so little, it's a little one round cloud, you might want to shape yours up a little bit. I like to just kind of come in here and pinch these in just to get these little rounded sides nice and defined looking. So that is our one round cloud. You can make a whole bunch of these and make a whole sky. And then you can just sew them right on to anything you like. And they're squishy and cute, and they would look cute on just about anything. So thanks so much for watching, and be sure and click the red subscribe button to get all the latest Fiber Flux video updates. Thanks again.